Are you looking for the best Samsung smartwatch? In this video we will look at some of the best Samsung smartwatch on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Samsung Galaxy 4 Classic. The Samsung Galaxy 4 Classic takes what was already a great smartwatch and turns it into an even better one with upgrades to both its design and functionality, making it superior to its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 3. For starters, the Galaxy 4 Watch is quicker than the Galaxy 3 Watch and can hold more apps, thanks to 1.5 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM. This is an upgrade over the 3's 1 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. You'll want to take advantage of these upgrades when you use the Exynos chip, which grants you access to numerous apps on the Google Play Store, expanding on the handful of apps that are available on the 3's Tizen operating system. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Though Samsung's newer smartwatches have moved past the original Active in terms of power, with faster processors and slicker software, it's still an impressive device, capable of performing the functions that most people look for in a smartwatch. The Active has the same fitness tracking features found on the newer Active 2, including heart rate monitoring and activity tracking. You also get a longer battery life with the Active 2, which comes at a more affordable price. While the Active offers fewer options when it comes to apps, the ones it does offer allow you to complete the tasks most commonly used on a smartwatch, including navigation and music. It does come with one particularly notable trade-off, however: you will need to keep the Active 2 tethered to your iPhone, as it lacks the option to connect to LTE. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Those looking for a more affordable smartwatch than the Galaxy Watch 4 but who still want higher-end features should look no further than the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. This Samsung fitness smartwatch features GPS connectivity and functions as a heart rate monitor and activity tracker. Notably, it also includes an ECG monitor, a feature typically only found on pricier smartwatches. The Active 2 can also track sleep stages, including REM sleep, providing you with valuable sleep quality stats. In addition to fitness tracking, the Active 2 also provides other nice features, such as Samsung Pay and access to music via Spotify. With its sporty neoprene band and circular face, the Active 2 lacks the traditional watch appearance of Samsung's higher-priced 4, but it's still stylish enough to wear all day, even when not working out. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. When it arrived on the scene in August 2020, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 represented a pretty significant upgrade over the original Galaxy, improving on it both in features and physical appearance. Like the Galaxy 4, the 3 looks like a classic wristwatch, making it just as wearable for a night out as it is at the gym. It's also thinner and lighter than the original Galaxy, giving it more of a conventional watch feel. In addition to its appearance, the Galaxy 3 is loaded with useful fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitor, VO2 max readings, an EKG, and blood pressure monitoring. It also comes equipped with a host of other useful functions, including sleep and stress tracking. The Galaxy 3 doesn't match the Galaxy 4 in terms of memory and app compatibility, nor will it analyze your body composition. But if those aren't deal breakers, then the 3 is a more affordable option than the 4.